Today I'm going to show you the most full flavor tasty chicken curry with this easy recipe. Tender and succulent piece of chicken swimming in a super flavorful and delicious curry sauce is the ultimate comfort food for a curry lover. And especially those who are new in the kitchen, this homestyle chicken curry is no fail comfort food that never cease to please your family members. So hello and welcome back to my kitchen, and this is Smita. Let's begin today a simple, flavorful yet delicious chicken curry which can be made within 20 minutes. Before that, let me show you the ingredients. And the ingredients are Kashmiri red chili whole for the color, coriander seed whole, garam masala powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, onion slices, lovely chicken pieces cut into medium size with a tomato, potato, garlic and ginger. Now let's begin the recipe. First of all, in a pan add 1 to 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up, then into it add potato cut into chunk. Over here I am using 2 large potato. Fry it with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and turmeric powder until it turns golden in a medium high flame. Till now, I have made numerous chicken curry and shared the recipe with you. If you want, you can also check the description box below. But undoubtedly, this homestyle chicken curry of mine is the root where I always try to come back and enjoy this comfort food of mine with my family. Now, after the potatoes are well done, then remove it from the pan and keep aside for the later part of the recipe. Next, into the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up, add 2 to 3 bay leaves. Then add 2 large onion cut into thin slices. After adding the onion, continue to cook them on a low medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes or until they turn translucent. As you can see, it will take another 3 to 4 minutes for the onion to cook properly. In the meanwhile, we will make a masala for the gravy. In a mixer grinder, add 2 Kashmiri red chili whole for the color of the gravy. Then add few garlic cloves and thin slices of ginger. Add 3 small sized tomato, and now add 1 teaspoon of coriander seed whole. Make a fine paste. After that, once it is done, now we will put this mixture directly to the onion. Now, after adding this chili tomato paste, you need to continue cooking them along with the onion. This step of softening onion to perfection takes maximum time, as you need to cook down the onion until they are deep brown and caramelized. After that, slowly we will add all the dry masalas. But as this recipe I told you before is a very basic chicken curry, so it doesn't need anything special. Now add salt as per your taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, red chili powder, sugar. Again mix everything well, then cover and cook in a very low flame till they melt down properly and moisture start to release from them. Also, do not bring the heat too high, as that may burn the onion on the exterior instead of properly softening them. Next, remove the cover and you will see it's looking lovely. At this point of time, I will add our chicken. Next, let us add 750 grams of chicken, cut it into medium size. In this recipe, you no need to marinate the chicken, you can add the chicken directly. After adding it, stir them and mix with the spices and onion mixture. Continue cooking the chicken in a high heat for 5 minutes until the chicken temperature is up. After that, you need to cover the pan and cook the chicken on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally in between. And at this stage, you need not to add the water, but don't forget to add the potatoes. Then cover. This is a step where flavor is built, so do not rush. After some time, remove the lid and once again stir it well, and you will see the moisture and the oil start to release from the chicken. At this time, you need to add 2.5 cups of water depending on how much gravy you want. You will have to add a little more than what you need at the end because some of the liquid will be absorbed by the chicken and the potato. After some time, open the lid and check the doneness of the chicken by trying to cut it using a fork. If it cut easily, then chicken is cooked through. Also, check and adjust seasoning if needed at this point. After that, switch off the pan and add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder from top and then quickly cover and give a standing time of 10-15 minutes before serving hot. Now it's time to serve hot. Though before serving, sprinkle freshly chopped coriander leaves and give a final mix. Your home style chicken curry is ready. Serve it hot with plain rice and enjoy this yummy and delicious chicken curry with your friends and family, and I'm sure you will just nail it. Though don't forget to comment in my comment section below how it turns out, and those who are new, please subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload interesting videos like this, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking. See you again. Bye bye.